Greetings friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you've never been here before, nice to meet you. In today's video, we're going to be hanging out, chilling. It's Friday when I'm filming this, so what I'm going to be doing is unboxing my FabFitFun box for summer? Spring. Shoot, I don't know. Hopefully it'll stay inside because I can't remember. It's currently summer, but I feel like this is a spring box just considering I just got it. I'd like to believe it's a spring box, but we will see. And while we unbox this, we're going to be drinking this lovely bottle of 2009 Cristal from the bottle and just enjoying ourselves on this lovely Friday. Being fancy, drinking champagne, opening up a box of goodies that'll just make us feel a little better about our lives and having fun. So if you're down with that and you like this idea at any point, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, join the Brat Pack, put out new videos every week. And I'd love to have you here because I'm fun, I imagine you're fun, and I'd like to hang out. So say hi down below, introduce yourself, tell me your name, your age, where you're from. I would love to know. For those who don't know what FabFitFun is, I'll put all the information down below, but it's a seasonal subscription service where every 3 or 4 months they take $50 from your account and then they send you this beautiful box, like so, filled with lots of items, lifestyle, beauty, fitness, blah, 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 all curated to the season, which is either spring or summer. We will find out eventually, for you to have. And it's great. It's one of the only 2 subscription services I actually get because I've tried others and not loved them. This is not sponsored or anything, but I do have a link down below if you want to sign up, and I think I get points. I'm not actually sure, but sign up down below. And anyways, I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it and get into this video and get into drinking that Cristal because I've been saving it for a special occasion. And a Friday with you guys is a special occasion. Anyways, do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me unbox my FabFitFun unboxing for either spring or summer, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into it. Hopefully my autofocus isn't a bitch today. So the first thing we have is the magazine, which is beautiful. It gives you all the information on all the items that you did pick up or ones that you could have gotten. Lets you know if they're powered up, partnered up with any companies. It's always a good thing to have for reference. Oh my God, it's my White Claw can because Cristal wasn't enough. Moving on. Okay, it's time to rip the seal together with you. You ready? Oh, it's the most anticlimactic thing I've ever seen in my life. Ooh, the first thing in the box. I remember this. This is something I customized. Let's open it up so I can show it to you. This item is from the brand Michael Kors. If you may be familiar. They've been around. They've made some things. And it retails for $78. This is a lot of money. And this is a passport wallet. I actually picked this up not for myself because I don't really care one way or the other for Michael Kors, but my mother-in-law is like a Michael Kors ass woman and she does travel. She actually, poor thing, was on her way to Europe. She had just gotten to Europe when the coronavirus exploded and she had to come home, but she likes to travel and she loves Michael Kors. Anything with Michael Kors, she picks it up, she's into it. So I chose this because the other 2 items I was like, I could take it or leave it, but I know this is going to make her very happy, so I picked this up for her, and this retails for $78. Alright, the next thing in the box is another thing that I actually did customize, and this is from the brand Silked, and this is their satin pillowcase. This retails for $29.50, and if you are not new here, you would know that I've been on a natural hair journey. It's been 1.5 years since I cut it up to my ears and stopped using any heat on it, and this is what we have in 1.5 years. And so I take care of my hair now. I make sure to dry it carefully, I make sure to put products in it, I don't use heat on it. I haven't dyed it in years, though I want to. I want to dye my hair orange so bad, but once it gets to the length I want, I'm going to, but I want to let it get there first, and it's grown so much. So I've heard that satin pillowcases are really good on your hair for when you're sleeping. Cuts down on the frizz, helps with breakage, all that. So I thought I'd give it a shot since people tell me it's good. And if I didn't say, it retails for $29.50, and I'm really excited to give it a shot. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's soft. It's slippery. Ooh. On a pillowcase, I think I could handle this, but man, if this was like bed sheets, I would hate it with all my heart. It's just like this sparkly, silvery goodness. I like it quite a bit, and I'm excited to give it a shot and see if I notice any difference in my hair. Though I don't think it could get much better than this. Moving on. Okay, the next item in the box retails for $18, and this is from the brand Spongely, and it is their Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. I am excited to try this. Spongely is cruelty-free, which, oh, let's take this off. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if it wasn't, I wouldn't be using it. And ooh, This smells so good. I think I customized this also. I could be wrong. No, I don't think I did, but I'm still happy to have it. I like this brand. They typically make those buffers that are infused with soap that I usually pick up for my mother-in-law, the same one for the Michael Kors passport wallet. But I have liked their products. I haven't tried their hand cream, and with all the washing that we are doing now as a society, and hopefully from now until forever, we'll be on top of that, hand cream has become very important to me. And even though I did pick up, what, 3 of those, I can't think of the brand. If you watched my last video, you'll know 3 of those bottles, and I still have those. It's nice to have one to throw in the bag for the places that I'm not going to, right? Right. One for me, one for you guys. I didn't pour that on my floor. I'm not an animal. Okay. I am an adult. I'm a 31-year-old lady. Oh my goodness, my box got so mushed. Okay, the next item in the box is from the brand Kula, and this is their mineral sunscreen in a matte finish. A matte finish sunscreen. Dude, I'm so excited. So Kula I have tried, but most of their sunscreens have been too oily for my skin because I have very, well, not very oily skin, but I have oily skin and I don't like to look very shiny unless it's strategically placed, you know? So I'm actually really excited about this. This is SPF 30, and since I am going on many walks with my dog, not as many as I should be, which is why I've gained the quarantine 50. Help, it's true. I should use more sunscreen than I do. I don't use it that much, and I know it's a problem, and it's because it usually makes me greasy, but this is a matte finish, so I'm excited to give it a shot. Follow me on Instagram at Bradderstein to see updates, because that's when I post updates, or where I post updates on products that I've tried. But I'm really excited to give this a go and see if it's any good. I have liked their products in the past, and I know that they are cruelty-free, so fingers crossed for your girl. Ooh, the next thing we got is a beauty product, which is, you know, I like makeup a lot. So this is from the brand Winky Lux. This is from the brand Winky Lux. It retails for $16, and it is their Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. I am excited to give this a shot. I know Winky Lux is cruelty free. We got the bunny right on the back. And I love a brow pencil. The way I do my brows, these beautiful little brows, is I start with a brow pencil, and then I use that essentially like a sticking base with some pigment for my powder, and then I go in with a gel. So I love to get a brow pencil that I didn't have to go out and purchase because I don't want to go out and purchase it. So I will give it a try in a future video and let you know what I think, so make sure to check down below. How much more timer do I have? Found out the hard way this camera only films for 20-minute increments at a time, which is so rude. So I missed like a whole clip in a video one time, so I have a timer. Let me know how much time I have left. Moving on, I'm getting all distracted here. Wait, what is this? Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. I got a second Kula sunscreen. Heck. What is this? I wonder what I was supposed to get that they put this in instead. I got 2 Kula sunscreens. That is so dope. I hope I like it. Fingers crossed for me. If I don't like it, then I guess I'll do it as a giveaway in a future video. Or something. I don't know what to do here. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I wish I could figure out what I didn't get that I should have gotten, but I can't. So 2 Kula sunscreens por mia. Okay, the next item in the box is from the brand Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles, and it is their Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. So apparently this is a spray that you just spray on your skin after you've been in the sun. Wait a minute. Is that accurate? Yeah, it's something that's supposed to soothe your skin after the sun, which, listen. If you do not know, if you haven't seen my Hawaii vlog, or if you haven't been here to discuss my life with me, I have the most sensitive skin ever. It's ridiculous, especially for the sun. When I went to Hawaii after the very first day, I was broken out in like a blistered, crazy rash. Like my skin doesn't just sunburn, it rashes. It's a whole problem. My mom's allergic to the sun too. It's an issue that I have, but I love to swim. I love to go to the beach. So this could be something that could work out really well. It's $42. It's probably something that I would spend on a product like this just because of the relief, because I hate being hurt from the sun. But I'm glad to get it in this box to try beforehand to make sure I like it. And it retails for 42 bucks. That's a pretty decent price tag. So I'm excited to try it. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Okay, moving on. We only have 2 items left, and I think I realized what item they forgot. I'm so sad. So if you look at this magazine, you see these sunglasses. I remember selecting these sunglasses and they didn't come, but I got 2 sunscreens, so that's fine. I mean, whatever, it's free regardless, so I'm not really like stressing about it, but I'm so bummed because I really wanted those sunglasses. They're from the brand Tom's and they retailed for 58 bucks. But to be fair, every pair of sunglasses I've ever owned has ended up scratched up in the glove compartment of my car, so it would just be wasted regardless, but I really wanted them. Okay, second to last is a product from the brand Makeup Drop, and it is a hybrid like beauty blender. It is a silicone. It is a sponge that's like a normal, let me open it and show you and see if you can see this shit, because this is cool. And it retails for 20 bucks if I did not say that. Okay, so this is a sponge right here, and I don't know if you can tell, but like it's a normal sponge consistency. It kind of reminds me of the Morphe red sponge that I really like in consistency. But then this side is like a silicone thing. And I think the point of these are that you can use less product by spreading it around everywhere with the silicone side and then blending it better with the sponge side, so you use less product. I don't know how useful this will actually be to me because I don't wear foundation, but I will give it a shot. Maybe I could do that with concealer. We'll see. I don't know. But it retails for 20 bucks, and either way, I love to have a new sponge for my face, even if I don't love the silicone side. And I would never spend $20 for one because that's just absolutely outrageous to me. So, you know, I'm pretty stoked to have this thing. It's pretty good. It's pretty good come up. If I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. So I just had a person ask me to send them my favorite video that I've ever filmed so that they could watch it. And I realized that I don't know if I have a favorite video I don't know if I have a favorite video I've ever filmed, so now I'm questioning all my life choices. Fun. Okay, last item. Okay, so the last item in the box is from a brand called Mason Home Scent Collection, and it is their Solstice Diffuser. I got a diffuser. I'm so excited. Let's look at it. Okay, let's see. Smells like cardboard and my champagne breath. Oh shit, careful, Brittany. Okay, there's a lot of items. So first, I am assuming this is the thing that smells good. We got some sticks. I'm trying to be all careful because I just got my arm tattooed too, and I'm just making a mess here. Okay, so it looks like you get this thing. You pour this liquid in this thing, right? And then you take these sticks and you put them in here. I've never actually owned one of these, but I am one of those people who works feverishly to ensure that my house smells good because I own 3 animals. I have 2 cats and a dog. And I'm always paranoid that my house smells weird. Like, even when I cook, if I cook broccoli in the house, I'm like, I can smell it in the furniture for like months afterwards. So I buy a lot of candles. I buy a lot of plug-in air fresheners. And now I'm trying one of these bad boys too. I feel like this would look really cute on like my little witchy desk too. I've gotten into witchy shit recently, like reading tarot and spells and shit. If you want a video on that, let me know. I doubt it. I wasn't going to do anything on YouTube because I didn't know if anyone would want to see that, but I feel like this would look really nice aesthetically next to like my tarot cards and my crystals and shit. With that said, I'm excited to try it. Let's see what this smells like. The box says bergamot, vetiver, geranium, and patchouli. I've smelled patchouli before and I didn't love it, so let's see. I'm still learning what scents I like. You know, I'm still developing as an adult and a human being. And let's see what this smells like. May irritate eyes, may irritate skin. First aid. What? Gotta be very careful, apparently. Interesting. It's like light smelling, which I didn't expect. That smells good. It smells like a man. That smells like a man. When is my husband coming home? Whew. No, but really, it smells like a dude. So, let me quickly, that's the last item, so let me quickly do the math and let you know the overall retail value. And then we'll do our, you know, sign off and say bye, and yeah. I bet you've already clicked off. Fucking rude, bro. I got a lot of trash around me. Says anyone who's ever hung around me. So fucking rude. Okay, so I just did the math, and the overall retail value of the box this month is $334.50. That is very, very expensive, and I wouldn't normally buy most of those products at their given price point. So that is exactly why I love subscription services. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. The box retails for $334. You pay $50. This is why I do subscription services, because so much of the stuff I would never buy at its given price point. But even if I just wanted one of these items, I'm basically like, okay, let's say on a whim, I was like, yeah, $60 for a diffuser. That sounds legit. And I bought this. If I bought it by subscribing to BoxyCharm, which you can cancel at any time, I would then get all the other items for free. You understand what I mean? Come on, it makes sense. It does. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Of course, subscribe and hit the bell, join the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week, and I would love to have you here. And I just want to thank you for being here when you could be anywhere else in the world. If you actually made it to the end and stayed past that point where I said, like, a dick for leaving, leave down the word sunflower, because that's my favorite flower, and my shirt is yellow. Or you could leave down the word, crystal. Because in what world do I get to drink this? Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much again, because you're tight. This is tight, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.